So what's up, my people? Right here, we're pulling up to Quick Trip. We're gonna go to a truck meet right now. Right here, gonna show some love to Fort Worth. So, pues andamos aquí con la mamalona. Ya la conocen, pero este Luis just cammed it. He did it himself. So, vamos a ir a ver si podemos hacer unos quemones de llanta. Nada se crea. Nah, probably won't. He still needs to put that posse on it. Pero quédense con nosotros, brother. We're gonna show y'all around. This is Fort Worth. We're from Dallas, so we're gonna come show some love to Fort Worth, guys. Así como está el ambiente para acá, para Fort Worth. Dice que acá está con madre. We'll see how it goes. It's fucking hot. Está caliente de a madre, raza, pero it's okay. If they're out there, we'll be out there too, guys. Yeah, stay tuned. Estamos al millón. What's up, bro? Where we going?
Truck meet.
Right with Louis. Louis drinking himself a beer. Qué pedo. Son desmadre. Está bien caliente la allá afuera.
It is. Luckily, we got something to cool us off.
Tenemos vitamina C, vitamina D. Shout out to all those hardworking people that work out in the sun to make a living. Está caliente. Aquí nomás vamos por gusto nomás, porque de necesidad no.
Who's going back up into that boy?
No.
Boom!
I don't know. We're gonna stay as long to watch the burnout contest.
We'll try.
I told Louis to do it, but he's too scared.
No,
He's too scared to beat all these guys out here.
Yeah.
He don't want to embarrass any of you guys out here.
Yeah, whatever.
So.
I don't want to embarrass myself out here.
Fucking motor's gonna fly out the hood. Man, that is hot, guys. So we're taking little breaks. They said that they recommend for us to take a 30-minute break for every hour that we're outside.
Next victim. Yeah, I bet you ain't that exhaust be like fucking intimidating.
Yeah, you're like, nah.
Oh, what my wife have to be with me?
So what's up, guys? We left the truck meet already. We're going home. We're gonna see if we find anybody that wants to party with us on the way to the house.
Nobody trying to race though.
Nobody wants to raise the truck. It sounds pretty nice.
Just a little stage 2.
Stage 2 cam installed by more than anything, Mr. Lewis.
Mr. G.
Mr. Lewis and the neighbor.
The neighbor. Quinox wants it. Let's see if he wants it, guys.
You want it?
That's about the 10th person I punked out in an Equinox. Not nobody wants. Appreciate everybody that showed love and support. The little truck meet, people that bought stickers. We're just getting started right now, people. So movement. We ain't trying to bash on nobody or nothing. We're just trying to get out there. We go, the camera goes, and then we'll just support whoever, and anything.
Wherever we're at, got the camera on us, guys. Make sure we're gonna show some love to y'all. Now, if y'all want a private session, y'all make sure y'all hit us on DM, hit us on Instagram at G-Force Nation 100.
You feel more than welcome if you guys invite us into y'all into a video, into your crew, into the car, pretty much into your personal stuff, and then we'll be in and out, and we just want to record. That's all it is, guys.
And we're sorry if you can't really hear us. It's just that the exhaust of this truck is real loud.
Whenever you're a teenager, you figure out some things about your body. You can't stop messing with it.
Thank you for watching, guys. See y'all in the next one.